Hello guys, I am back with the new topic. Today our video topic is how to display a table of any number in assembly language while using different types of registers. So let's begin our topic. First of all, we will display a message on our screen, that is enter a number, and after that we will also initialize characters like multiplication sign, equal sign, and here I am initializing multiplication sign, and after that I will initialize equal sign, that I will print it on my screen. So let's begin our program coding. In this program we will also need a variable with no value, that we are taking an input from user during the program execution. So we will also initialize it in our data segment. So in my code segment I have displayed a message enter number on my screen, and after that I am taking input from user. To store that input for later use, we will store this input that we have gotten from user into the variable that we have initialized without any value in our data segment. And after that we will use loop to perform our program coding. We will use program counter as our loop register, and after that EBX will be used for the multiplication of our table, that is 2 multiplied by 1 and up to so on increment. So here I am starting the loop. In loop I am performing. In loop, first of all I will display the number whose table is to be printed on screen, and after that I have initialized a character with multiplication sign, it will be displayed on screen. And after that the number, that is 2 multiplied by 1, and next time 2 multiplied by 2 and up to so on, that is I have moved value into EBX register, will be displayed on screen. And after that we will perform the multiplication, that is 2 multiplied by 1 equal to the result, that is 2, and call CLF to enter a new line after every line printed on our screen, and call readInt to get input from user. As you can see, our program result is same as, that is 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 2, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2, that is wrong. So we have to increment in ABX value, that is first time the ABX value will be 1, and after the loop will run, the ABX value will be 2. By doing so, our value you can see on screen is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.